Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to host a Zoom meeting. First, open your Google Chrome browser and search for Zoom Dashboard. From the search results, click on the first link. It should take you to Zoom's official website. Here, you'll notice a button called Web App or sometimes Launch Meeting. Tap on that. Click on Home. Then tap on New Meeting. A new window will open. It might be a black screen at first, showing that your meeting is starting. Now Zoom will ask for permission to use your microphone and camera. Tap Allow or Give Permission when prompted. Once that's done, click on Join Audio with Computer so your microphone works properly. Next, you'll see the Start Video option on the bottom bar. Tap that to turn on your camera. If your camera turns on successfully, you'll see your video feed appear. You can also see the microphone icon next to it. Make sure it's unmuted if you want to talk. Now look toward the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Participants button. Here you'll see a list of people currently in the meeting, and since you created it, your name will appear as host. To invite others to join, tap on the Invite button. Zoom gives you multiple options. You can copy the meeting URL, share the invitation link, or even give them the meeting ID and passcode so they can join easily. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next helpful guide.